Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove your account from Myfitnesspal. So, first of all guys, and as always, if you are using your phone, go ahead and open App Store if you are using iOS and then download the application from it. Or if you are using Android, you can just go to Google Play and download the application from it as well. After that, if you are using both PC or phone or whatever it is the device, you'll have to create your application first or your account first. So you have to put your email address, phone, password, and then they will ask you about some informations about your body. So you put your weight, how tall are you, how old are you, and yeah, some information about your body and your goal, and then the state of yourself, so if you are active or not. After that, the page will be opened for you. So let's say that you wanted, like, you tried it for a couple times this application and later on you didn't like it that much. So how you can remove your account from it and to stop actually even like the notifications from this application. What you can do is go to settings through any menu. So every menu in their application has actually settings. You can go through any menu, literally anyone, and as you can see now, it will take us to this page. So here there's this privacy settings and here there's the account settings. You can find here subscription settings, change password, change email, change username, and so go on the list. But in the bottom, you will find here delete account or remove account. So you have to click on it and you wait. So here is you can actually extract or export your data before you delete your account. If you click here, and after that you'll have to click on continue, and after that your account will be permanently removed from their platform. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.